In this video, I'm going to show you how to find stocks using the Robinhood investing app so you can start investing your money in the stock market and making money. If you have any questions throughout this video, feel free to leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. There's actually 3 different ways that you can do this. The first way is you're going to click on the magnifying glass down there at the bottom center, and then you can go ahead and search for companies. So you can search for them up here. Tesla. That's an easy one. Tesla. There we go. And this is how you would find Tesla. You can click into it by pressing Tesla, and this will take you into the stocks, give you all the details that you want to know. Another way is if you click the magnifying glass at the bottom there again, it's going to take you back to that screen, and we're going to go ahead and clear this out by hitting the X or cancel. Now, the second way is if you want to go to this screen right here and scroll through the news. See, there's news about different companies. And as you can see, under each set of news or articles, if you will, you'll see what this article is about. So this one is actually about Netflix. So you can go ahead and click into Netflix right there, and it'll take you into the stock. That's another way to find a stock. So if you want to kind of hack the news and you want to find stocks that are currently in the news, maybe you want to try to get them because you think they're down and they're going to go up in the future. Maybe you want to get in on those stocks to ride them up higher if it's positive news. It's kind of up to you. Now, if you scroll back up to the top there, we're still under the magnifying glass area. If you haven't done it yet, please smash that thumbs up button. And if you like videos like this, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel to get more of them. Robinhood has done a good job of curating different stocks based on the category that they're in. So right there you see popular lists. So you can look at the 100 most popular stocks. You can scroll over here and we can find stocks that are in the category of entertainment or stocks that are in the automotive area. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click on that. So we're going to go to the automotive. Did I say automotive or automotive? I don't know. But this is going to take you a list of the automotive stocks available on the Robinhood investing app. You can scroll down. It's a pretty big list, so you can kind of go through these and figure out, which ones you might want to buy, which ones you might want to keep an eye on. And you can also go ahead and filter through this list as well. So if we click right there to the right, you can actually sort this list by certain things that you're looking for. So you can look for symbol, price up or down, price change, or you can go to percentage change. So percentage down, percentage up. We're going to hit the up. We're going to hit done. And this is going to list these stocks in the automotive section that are down as of today, as of the end of the day today when the market is closed. Because I'm filming this after the market is closed, or else this would probably be moving at this point in time. So this is going to give you a list in case you want to buy something when it's low, when it's down right now, so that it'll hopefully go up in the future. That's more for you to kind of evaluate the stock and decide for yourself. If you want one free stock from Robinhood worth up to $200, then use my link down in the description to open up an account. If you want one free stock from Webull worth up to $1,600, then use my link down in the description to open up an account with them. When you first deposit $100, the first time you put money into your Webull account, you will get that free stock worth up to $1,600. If you're ready to learn how to buy and sell stocks using the Robinhood investing app, then watch both of these videos to your left next.